Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito cocktail at home. First, gather your fresh mint leaves, about 2 ounces of fresh lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Place these ingredients into a sturdy glass. Now, gently muddle them together. This step is key to releasing the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, creating the foundational flavors for your delicious drink. Next, it's time to add the spirit of the mojito. Pour in 2 ounces of good quality white rum. This provides the classic alcoholic kick. Then, fill your glass to the brim with crushed ice. The ice not only chills your drink but also helps to dilute it slightly as it melts, balancing the flavors. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the muddled ingredients are well combined with the rum. Now for the refreshing fizz. Top off your glass with about 4 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a delightful effervescence that lightens the drink. For the perfect presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh lime wheel and a vibrant sprig of mint. The mint sprig not only looks great but also adds a wonderful aroma with every sip. Your homemade mojito is almost ready to enjoy. To ensure your mojito is always top-notch, remember to use the freshest ingredients possible. Fresh mint and lime make all the difference. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar to suit your taste. Some prefer it sweeter, others less so. You can also experiment with different white rum brands to find your favorite. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your perfectly crafted homemade mojito responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.